What's going on, guys? Hey, thanks for jumping into our YouTube channel, Point Blank Performance. So today we're joined by two guests, Reman cylinder head, competition style cylinder head, presented by Miller's Machine Shop. So what we're going to do, we're going to talk about on Alan's truck, it's our C4 HP package, why this Reman unit will work for us with this comp style wheel, what all the benefits come to the table when you're spending money for power, but not only a long-term investment. It's a good decision. So, stock unit, let's talk about it. Stock valve springs, stock valves, no O-ring cut underneath the cylinder head. Grease plugs are just pushed in, they're not threaded. This won't work for us. So we want to make sure we're spending the customer's money wisely. So we're not going to put a stock cylinder head back on there and possibly have a problem when you start turning up the boost, coolant pressure, making power. You guys can still make good power on this unit. If you daily drive, if you tow, this is exactly what I would tell you. This is exactly what you need to run. This comp unit, we're going to talk about why Alan needs it on his truck. So let's dive into it. So benefits, not only parts but benefits. We've got the Manton valve springs. So we've got those valve springs on there. That way we don't float a valve. A floating valve just basically means when the piston comes up, if one valve is not retracted, it stays open, boom, hits it, you're done. Next, that valve has to hit the seat. In the stock units, those seats like to fall out around 1,000 horse. So we went ahead and put oversized seats in there. So hopefully, like I say, we don't want those seats to fall out. Next thing, to make power go in the cylinder head, make power go out. And as it enters in the combustion chamber, we've got 2mm over valves. So they're 35mm valves. So we can get power in, power out, drop some boost pressure, drop some drive pressure, making a healthier power on the engine because we want it to last. Next, we're going to jump into the coolant ports. So refer to them as freeze plugs. These are threaded freeze plugs. As the RPMs come up, the water pump's spinning faster and faster and faster. Pressure starts coming up. As it comes up, those plugs are starting to start popping out. As they do, you've got coolant running through the head, but you've got all this oil in the valve. Mixes, goes through your turbocharger, goes through your cam, your crank, all of it, possibly could ruin it. So we're going to spend smart money and get that done while it's there. Next is the best part. We've got all this power inside the cylinder head, inside the combustion chamber. We've got to push it through the cylinder head. We've got a gasket we've got to pass through. So we've got the ARP 625 head studs holding the cylinder head down, but to help aid all that, we've got a ring cut at the bottom of the cylinder head. It's a stainless steel ring. So as it sits down on there, it helps hold. That way when the pressure starts coming up, the combustion stroke, you get that big boom, stays inside, goes through the cylinder head, through the exhaust port, and drives your turbocharger hard. So that way we get a perfect burn inside the cylinder, but we spin that charger as hard as we can because we're here to make power, right? So that's a little bit of knowledge. You can also refer to Miller's Machine Shop. Give them a call. You can talk to them about this stuff. Comp unit, Reman unit, both these are great products. There's nothing wrong with them. The machine works phenomenal for sure. So we're going to get this installed on our C4 truck. Thank you guys again for joining us. My name is Tyson. Once again, the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel. So join us next week. Thanks again for watching.